Hi, let's talk about the importance of circadian rhythm in animals today. According to Wikipedia, a circadian cycle is a natural internal process that regulates the sleep-wake cycle and repeats roughly every 24 hours. Okay, definitions aside, no one will understand it completely. So let's do a case study. Kritika has been suffering from insomnia for the past few days. That's me. And she started thinking the possible reasons for her insomnia. She noted that it took a long time for her to fall asleep, and even after she slept, she would get nightmares and wake up very often. But Kritika used to have a very good sleep cycle. She used to go into a deep sleep, and no one could wake her up. She missed those days of her good night's sleep. After thinking a lot and recalling all the biology she learned, she came to a conclusion. Every night she wouldn't go to sleep unless she watched a movie, and she also noted that her usage of smartphone was the most after the sunset. Eureka! Her melatonin secretion was inhibited, which led to a disturbed sleep. Now let me explain this to you in detail. Situated in our brain is the pituitary gland, also called the master gland. It secretes many hormones, and the melatonin we were talking about is also secreted by the pituitary gland. Melatonin regulates the circadian rhythm of the body and also certain reproductive hormone. During the daytime, the production of melatonin is inhibited and keeps you active. But as soon as it starts getting darker and darker, the secretion of melatonin increases, and as it starts increasing, you'll eventually feel sleepy. That's how it regulates your sleep-wake cycle. Now let's get back to Kritika's case. She told that her screen time increased after dusk. Blue light from electronics is linked to the inhibition of melatonin and eventually leads to insomnia. She finally found out that the main culprit was her TV and smartphone. Soon after finding this out, Kritika started reducing her screen time after sunset. This is a true story. There are many reasons for insomnia, but in today's world, most of the people aren't aware about this. So if anyone complains to you about their insomnia, please tell them to first stop watching TV or using their smartphones after sunset, and also explain the science behind it. So let me conclude by telling you that circadian cycle is really important for a consistent and restorative sleep.